everybody! Hello, my name is Chiara. Welcome to Artburst Sillies. Today we have lots and lots to do. We're going to be doing singing, we're going to be doing dancing, we're going to be story reading, and we are going to be some making as well. So please stick around and join me, and we're going to be doing lots of fun things. But the first thing we like to do at Artburst Sillies is we sing hello to everybody who has joined us and who is joining us in this video. So let me teach you the song for hello. So in this song we need our hello hand that goes from one side to the other like this, hello. And then we're going to say everyone like this, the sign for everyone that goes all around with your hand, everyone. And then we're going to say how are you, like this, how are you. So we're going to slide our hands like this on our chest, how are you. And then we're going to go you like this. And we're going to sing hello everyone, how are you 3 times. And then the last part says it's good to be here at Artburst. And when we say Artburst, we need a big burst with both of our hands. Really, really nice and big. So let's see if we can sing it all together, okay? I'm going to count us in. So let's try it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go. Hello everyone, how are you? Hello everyone, how are you? Hello everyone, how are you? It's good to be here at Artburst. Well done, fantastic. Thank you so much for very excellent singing with me. And my name is Chiara one more time. So hello everybody and lovely to see you. Thank you so much for singing hello. And now, because this is Artburst Sillies, we are going to have to do our special singing hello. Now, because we're going to try to be super duper sillies in these sessions, we need to practice our silliness. So I think that we should try and sing our hello song that we just sang together. But this time, instead of singing it normally, we should try and sing it as if we were dogs. And we can be extra silly. So we're going to sing like this. So we're going to go or woof woof. We're going to say woof 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 like this. Should we try and pretend to be woof woof doggies that sing hello? Should we try and be super silly together? Let's do it. Let's try. 1, 2, 3. And it goes like this. Woof 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 woof. Well done, fantastic, silly singing. Well done, thank you so much. Okay, now we need to get ready to read our story. Are you excited? So, let's get ready to read our story today. We've got a lovely book for you, and this book is called Dear Zoo, and it's written and illustrated by the lovely Rod Campbell and published by Macmillan. So thank you so much for letting us read your books, Macmillan. That's lovely. We love them, don't we? Oh, very nice. So in this book, we've got loads and loads of different animals. And did you know that when we do stories at Artburst, we always like to teach you some actions to go with the story so that we can do it all together and we can join in. So I'm going to teach you the actions for the story, okay? So in this story, first of all, there's going to be a very big animal that goes like this with his trunk. Who could this be? I think it's going to be an elephant. Like this. Very good. So we've got the elephant. And then straight after the elephant, we've got another animal, which I personally really like. It's an animal with a long neck. A long neck. Like this. And this animal is a giraffe. A giraffe. Where are you going? Oh, there you are. It's a giraffe. So, the second animal is a giraffe. Okay, very good. And then we've got another animal. An animal that goes rah, like this. Rah! What's that? It's a lion that roars really loud. And after the lion, we have got a camel. Yeah, we've got a camel. Very good. And the camel is very grumpy. So for the camel, can we all be very grumpy like this? Can you pretend to be very grumpy like this? When the camel comes, okay? Let's practice it one more time. Let's be grumpy. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Excellent work. And after that, we've got a very sneaky snake. Like this. Very good. Fantastic. And after the snake, we've got an animal that is very naughty. So we are going to show our pinky finger. We're going to go naughty. Like this. Naughty, because that's the sound for naughty. And this animal is going to be a monkey. Can you be a silly monkey? Very good. Fantastic. Okay. And then we've got an animal that goes ribbit, ribbit, and that jumps like this. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. What could that be? It's a frog. Very good. And then last but not least, we've got the animal that we did our silly hello song with. We've got a woof, woof, woof dog. Woof, woof, like this. A silly billy dog. Woof, woof, woof. Okie dokie. So I think you are ready for this lovely story together, okay? Oh, this story is called Dear Zoo. And I'm going to show you the pictures and read it to you, okay? Let's make sure we can all see. I wrote to the zoo to send me a pet. They sent me an... What's going to be in here? Elephant. He was too big. I sent him back. So they sent me a... What's this? Ooh, giraffe. Let's do the giraffe sign, guys. Giraffe. There she is. It is, yeah, giraffe. It's a he. He was too tall. I sent him back. So they sent me a... What's this? Lion. Ooh, he was too fierce. Should we do a big, big, scary roar like this? 1, 2, 3, roar for a lion. I sent him back. So they sent me a... What's this? Camel. There he is. He was too grumpy. Can we all practice being grumpy like we tried? Like this. Very good. Very good. He was too grumpy. I sent him back. So they sent me a... What's in this basket? Snake. He was too scary. I sent him back. So they sent me a... What's this? Frankie, he was too naughty. Naughty, naughty. I sent him back. So they sent me a... What's this? Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. A frog! It's a frog hidden in this tiny box. Can you see? From the zoo, a tiny, tiny frog. He was too jumpy. I sent him back. So they thought very hard. And sent me the last part. What's this going to be? What is it going to be? Dog! Ruff, 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 ruff. He was perfect, so I kept him. Very good. Round of applause. That was absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much. That was very good joining in with our story. Thank you very much for being silly with me and reading the story and doing all the actions and all the singing. Now we've got a lovely craft video coming up for you with Libby, who is going to get you making things, okay? So this is our sign for making. Get ready to get crafty with Libby, and I will see you after that for some more singing and dancing, all right? See you very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.